Okay, let's go. I will be ranking all my slimes today. And I'm going to be doing, honestly, I'm just going to be ranking my slimes. So first, I'm going to start with my favorite, the Jelly Besties. I love it, but if it stayed like the color, which was pink, yellow, and a little bit of orange, I would have loved it better. So I'm going to give this a 9.9. Or let's just do a 9.5. Okay. One of my favorites. Love you, Jelly Besties. Okay, let's do my Cloud Peachy Babies. Baby Buys, I don't know, slime. It feels amazing. I love it. And it comes with charms. I just put them all on. And I got a free duck. I'm just too lazy to grab it out of the thing, if you guys can see that. See that duck? It's an axolotl. But I love this slime so much. Guys, I'll just grab this. Currently, it's an axolotl. This slime is very good, but if it just stayed as a pretty color, because I mix it and it turns into like white, but it's a very cute pastel, whitish, pinkish. I rate it, since the fluff is very good, the texture is over 100% good. I rate this an 8 out of, no, let's do 8.5 too. Okay, time for the next contestant. I'm going to be doing my Aaron's Putty, Thinky and Putty. Why does it say think? This isn't like, it's very hard, but I love it. And it like doesn't get anywhere. And it's like very fun to play with. If I got a better one, I would definitely rate this. Like if I got the mini ones, I would definitely love them. Because more the merrier. But I rate this one as, let's do an 8.2. Just because it's hard and it's not that, it's just because it's not that hard. Okay, last but not least, right, the dumpling one. Guys, it's going to be like the most satisfying stretch, and you guys are going to be here to watch it. Okay, see how it's flat? Watch. Ooh. Don't underestimate me. I'm kidding, I won't. But this is also from Jelly Besties, and I love this clear slime. When I make when I try to make a bubble, it makes the best crack afterwards. Like that crack, but better. I love this slime. I love this type of clear slime. And yeah. So thank you so much, Target and Jelly Besties, for letting me have this slime. I got this from Target. That's why I said Target. Okay, time for the worst one. It's so sticky, so big. You can't put Demon Hunter slime, okay? It's gooey, but it's just like not good. It's inside. I had to throw a lot of it away. I feel like if I get it out. Oh wait, is this how much slime I have? It's not even that bad actually. I don't know what I was saying. But the reason I have so much because of how sticky it was. Holy crack. But yeah, it's getting to my hands. I'll rate it a 6 just to be kind. If I had more and it wasn't as sticky as it was, I rate it like up to an 8 or 7. But I guess this one isn't that bad anymore like it was because it had been in the darkness for like so long. And then, did I ever say last but not least, because I kind of lied to you guys, I still have a couple more. So I'll just rate this one a 6, because I barely have any more. But it has an amazing crack, not gonna lie. Oh, here's the sticky part, guys. Guys, here comes the sticky part, like, okay. Just trying to get it not. Guys, it's getting like stuck to my hand. Okay, there. Okay, there we go. Still stuck to my hand. Ugh. I'll just put the rest. I'll get the rest. But that's why I'm not a fan of that slime. Ugh. It's like a good crunching sound and a crack. I'm just not a fan of it. And it smells so bad. Okay, time for the mini ones. And these are the worst ones. I have probably all of them. Because I have a couple that used to be so stretchy, one of my favorites. It was this one right here, and this one, the cloud slime. And then it just turned like all like bad. Okay, I'm gonna start with my favorite one out of the mini ones. Sorry guys, it's my mom vacuuming. It's this one. It's like this the best one out of all of them, even though it's not like stretching. Hey guys, watch. Let's do a stretch. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Oh wait. And then my second favorite is honestly this duck one, which is so cute because guys, it had like a little duck in it, and you can't tell me how that's not cute. My friend Lydia, she's like obsessed with slime. And look how cute this is, even though it's just one normal plain duck. It's just like it has the same type of texture as the purple one. This might be my favorite actually. It's just like I love yellow, pastel yellow, not like the actual like yellow, but like I hope you guys know what I mean. Time for this brown and poop one. I used to have a pink one. I ruined it. This one's so hard. It's like very hard to get out of. See guys, it's such a good stretch. What? Guys, this was the shade of pink I mixed them together thinking it was me is such a good idea. Was it a good idea? No. But I regret it, yes. Time for the second worst one. This cloud one. It's so bad, I hate it. It's like, it doesn't feel like actual cloud slime. It's like so old. Okay, I'm just gonna do some of it because I hate it. Like, what is this? Someone give me a recommendation on how to make my slime way more better because like, I don't know what this is. And I'm not feeling this one because it's the same thing and I hate it. Boo. Boo. Okay, well, maybe. I feel like I have one more slime and just hiding it. But that's it for today, guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below what was your favorite slime out of all of them. And sorry, guys. My thing said 10%. But make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Share this video so other people can watch it. And make sure to get us to 25 subscribers. Bye, guys.